Hey everyone, welcome back to Node Expert, where I help you navigate the world of crypto nodes. Today, I'm diving into NodePay, a free node you can set up with zero staking if you are looking for a simple way to get started in the crypto space without spending a dime. This is the video for you. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips. So, what is NodePay? It's a decentralized platform that allows you to run a node and earn rewards by contributing to its network. The best part, you don't need to stake any tokens or invest upfront. It's completely free to set up and operate. Use the link in the description to visit the official NodePay site. Once there, sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once logging in into your account, click here to download NodePay extension. It will take you to the extension store. Click on download. It will show up here in this bar. Click on it and click on activate. Now it's activated. Go back to the page and click on refresh. It's loading. As you can see, now your extension is working. So you can do some missions here. A daily treasure claim. Click on claim. You will get 100 NodePay points. Click done, and here is the streak. These are all missions you can do to earn extra node points. Now go into the earnings tab. Verify your email address, connect your Solana wallet, preferably Phantom wallet, and confirm your wallet address. After doing these steps, you are good to go to collect your earnings. This is a very crucial step. You need to do it in order to receive your payments or earnings. As shown here, it's in seasons, like season 1, which is in the beginning. Also season 0 and season 1 are over. Now they started season 2. Very soon season 1 earnings will be distributed. I advise you to download the Huron browser supporter, which is a medal you will get by downloading the Huron. Just download the Huron browser, install and create a Huron account using the same email address. This is very important. Use the same address you used in setting up your NodePay extension. Use it while signing up for Huron browser. Use the Huron browser for like 14 days, maybe less than 14 days. Just use it occasionally and you will get this medal. This medal will help you to get times 1.3 your earnings. You will earn more, so it's a very good thing to do. One last thing, make sure not to use a VPN because it's against their policy. Just don't use a VPN or your account will be banned. That's it for today's guide on setting up a NodePay extension node. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to Node Expert, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with your setup. Also, check the description for all the links you will need to get started. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.